Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. On the left corner, weighing in at a lightweight $169, we have the Entina Mini 3D printer, also known as Tina 2. And on the right corner, flexing its 6.6-inch 4K plus HD screen and a price tag of $239, it's the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2. Let's see which one of these bad boys deserves a spot on your desk. First up, let's talk about price. Tina 2 comes in at a wallet-friendly $169. Reviewers love how budget-friendly it is, making it accessible for beginners and hobbyists. Photon Mono 2, on the other hand, is priced at $239. While it's a bit more expensive, reviewers say the 4K screen and high-quality prints are worth the extra cost. Ease of use. Tina 2 is super easy to use, no complex setup required, and you can start printing almost immediately. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly design, especially for beginners. Photon Mono 2, however, comes with an upgraded slicing software, Photon Workshop 3.0, which is powerful but might take a bit more time to get used to. Users find it great once you get the hang of it, but not as straightforward as Tina 2. Next, let's talk about the printing features. Tina 2 boasts auto-leveling and a magnetic platform, features that users find incredibly convenient and reliable. Photon Mono 2, though, isn't messing around. It's got a 6.6-inch 4K plus HD screen and an upgraded light turbo matrix, which reviewers say make your model details pop like a 3D movie. It's like comparing a pocket knife to a lightsaber, with Photon Mono 2 offering superior precision and detail. Build volume time. Tina 2 is compact and cute, with a build volume of 100 by 120 by 100 millimeters. It's perfect for those tiny, adorable projects that reviewers love to create. Photon Mono 2, however, is like the Hulk of 3D printers, with a build volume of 165 by 143 by 89 millimeters. Reviewers appreciate its ability to handle bigger projects, making it the go-to for anyone looking to print something more sizable than a keychain. All right, let's talk about success rates and support. Tina 2 is ready to print right out of the box, comes with a 2.4 inches LCD screen, and supports resume printing after power outages. Users find it reliable and consistent, like the Energizer Bunny of 3D printers. Photon Mono 2 has a laser-engraved platform for better adhesion and a high printing success rate. Reviewers also like the added LCD screen protector, which they say is like having a bodyguard for your printer. Overall, reviewers find the Entina Mini 3D printer Tina 2 to be an excellent choice for beginners due to its ease of use, affordability, and reliable performance. On the other hand, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 is praised for its high precision, larger build volume, and advanced features, making it a great option for those looking to invest a bit more in a high-quality 3D printer. That's it for today's showdown. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Drop a comment below to let us know which 3D printer you think is the winner and why. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay awesome. Product links are in the description.